cars, bro. We're gonna be like that.
Hey up YouTube, another day, another video. We are heading down to Buckinghamshire for the top secret officially gassed drag race day. I'm told there's 6 cars going, I'm one of them. I think I'm up against the Turbo VTEC mini thing owned by Daniel. Let's jump on the M1, get down to Buckinghamshire, see what we see when we get there. There's Danny's car, the winner. My car, the loser. Danny disagrees. Jamie doing his thing. This will be the shot that you see on Jamie's opening video, probably.
What's going on, Gas Gang? Yes, we are back with a new series and it's going to be crazy. We are in partnership with Race Logic and we are racing cars from the channel against each other, guys. We're calling this the OG battle. It's going to be sick, so stay tuned. Let's get it. What's going on, Gas Gang? Today we are back with something properly special. In partnership with Race Logic, we are racing cars from the channel. So what's going on, Gas Gang? Today we are back with something properly special. In partnership with Race Logic, we are racing cars from the channel against each other. There's loads of different tests. It's going to be sick. We're calling it the OG battle. So stay tuned for this one. Let's get it. So yes, guys, as the intro said, today we are... Yes, guys, so as the intro said, today we have a quarter-mile track. Today we're in partnership with Race Logic and they have been kind enough to lend us their quarter-mile track strip to run some tests. We're going to be using the V-Box Performance Box Touch to measure 0 to 60s, and yes, there will be a leaderboard. We're going to be doing quarter-mile tests, and yes, there will be a leaderboard. And on top of that, we're going to have a drag race, a quarter-mile drag race, and then finally a rock race. And due to popular demand, we're finally racing cars from the channel against each other so you can see what they actually do.
This is literally the windiest place in the world. We've just had the intro done. Now we're going to get lined up, get ready to race and see how we get on. So. So I've done the first 0 to 60 runs. I've got 4.48 and 4.14. So I've already beat my 0 to 60 time with the Dragon, which is awesome. I then did some quarter-mile runs, and I did 11.78 at 122, and 11.84, 11.9 at 118, so fairly quick times. We're now going to watch Danny go down, he's going to do his runs, and then we're going to have the race together. Come on, Danny. 4.5 there for Danny, not 60. Drones up.
He's going to tell you. He's going to tell you.
So the Kitcar, right?
Yeah.
Run 1 and 2 were your 0 to 60s, run 3 and 4 were your quarter miles.
Yeah.
But you're obviously still starting
yeah.
at 0. You actually got your best 0 to 60 during one of the quarter mile runs.
Right.
Which was a 4.05. Pretty much took a 10th off.
That's class. Wow. Which run? The last one? Or the
third run.
Third one, right.
And in fact, the fourth run was slower than the
right.
60. So the mini as well.
Did I do a faster?
You did a faster one. 6.
Sorry. I thought you were cheeky one.
So that was a 4.45.
Okay.
Wow, that's good that.
Quick for
For
a mini. It doesn't look right.
No!
This is the Impreza's second quarter-mile run.
Another sick video. It's the OG battles in partnership with Race Logic. Okay, let's get some revs.
How close were it, Lee?
Huh?
How close were it?
I get locked out of like third gear.
And the car length, I said car length if that. He was literally just in front of me. Because I got locked out of that gear,
All to play for then in the roll race.
whole race is all to pay for. That's kind of funny.
In which case I'm going to win. Like that.
Jamie, did you look at that little crown wheel that you replaced? Go, start, right, when you
That's what I'm thinking of now. This tiny
Should have written. Come on, Jamie, shout the time out.
Fuck. 3.16.
Whoa.
Launch properly. What? No, that's you
What we got?
2.96.
Wow.
No. Open your door. These cars, bro, we're gonna be like that.
It's going to be in the 60s, but.
I'm gonna have to launch mine hard.
I think this is going to be closest. It's going to come down to user error again, isn't it? Well, it's only the launch bit.
It's brake boosting as well.
You know what? I think you're going to get me because you can hold your launch control on when he goes ready. Like you can just wait until he goes go. And
Yeah, I have to watch the boost though, because it comes in, it goes, and then you launch it.
My one, yeah. If I hold it, it just starts launching. It starts lurching,
Yeah,
and that's how I start. So I literally, as soon as he goes ready, I'm just going to have to harden it, just hold it, and hope it.
Jamie's roll race. I think he's 2 for 2 so far. You alright, mate? Thinking these Audis are they're not bad, are they? Right, so if you just go a bit slower, and then it'll look like I've won fair and square. Is that right? I'm just going to put you into comfort mode. Just before we get going, just put a bit more weight in your cars. All right, we're all sorted. Right, let's make sure this GoPro's working, and we're off.
Why do you keep doing this, Jamie?
Did you hear that?
Yes!
Anyway, I'll leave it. He's pulling on me. We're getting down the runway. Holy shit.
Jamie doing the outro for his video. So we've finished filming the video with Jamie, but we've got the runway for a little bit, so I'm going to connect my draggy up, see if I can beat the 4.04 that I got today. Fingers crossed.
Tech Turbo Mini guy.
On YouTube and Instagram.
That's it.
You wanna...
Scare me. How do you get out of this thing?
Good, isn't it?
Thank you so much. Crazy. That's mental, Brick.
3.9, happy days, done with draggies, don't need to try any harder, all finished, and I got to do some passenger rides. Absolutely amazing day. I think I got 4:05 on Jamie's test, 11.78, 122 in the quarter, beat the Mini on the test. Just awesome, absolutely amazing day. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I know it's been a bit hit and miss and not much vlogging and things, but hopefully it shows you a bit what goes on behind the scenes of Jamie's videos. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, please subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.